The low voice major video effect is a transformative auditory experience that plunges the viewer into a world of deep resonant tones. When applied, this effect lowers the pitch of all audio elements, creating a sonorous and majestic atmosphere. The impact on the audience is profound. The lowered voice brings a sense of gravitas and authority to the content, as if every word spoken carries the weight of a royal decree. It's like experiencing a narration from the depths of grand, echoing chamber, immersing the audience in a cinematic journey with an added touch of regality. Imagine the dialogue of your favorite characters or the narration of a documentary delivered in a baritone that resonates through the room. The low voice major effect doesn't just alter the pitch, it elevates the overall emotional and cinematic experience. Viewers are enveloped in a rich auditory tapestry, making every word and sound feel momentous. Whether used in a dramatic scene, a documentary narration, or even for a touch of cinematic flair in every videos, low voice major adds a layer of sophistication and grandeur. The impact is not just heard but felt, creating a multi-sensory experience that captivates the audience and leaves a lasting expression. The down rainbow video effect is a mesmerizing visual enhancement that takes audience on a chromatic journey, turning the traditional concept of rainbow upside down. When applied, this effect inverts the typical rainbow spectrum, creating a surreal and captivating display of colors descending gracefully. The impact on the audience is enchanting, as viewers witness the reversal of rainbow's usual arc. It evokes a sense of wonder and magic. The familiar becomes extraordinary as vibrant hues cascade downward, defying the conventional laws of nature. It's as if the video itself is a portal to a whimsical realm where the rules of color are rewritten. Down Rainbow is not just a visual treat, it's a symbol of creative expression and departure from the ordinary. Where used in music, videos, artistic projects, or even blogs, this effect introduces an element of surprise and fantasy. It sparks curiosity and engages the audience by offering a fresh perspective on the familiar rainbow motif. Imagine a music video where artist walks down on a surreal staircase of descending color, or a travel vlog where landscapes transform into vibrant inverted spectacles. Down Rainbow becomes a storytelling tool, turning each frame into a canvas of chromatic innovation. Hit Overload is a revolutionary video effect that pushes the boundaries of visual intensity, creating an immersive and scintillating experience for the audience. When applied, this effect cranks up the temperature, saturating the screen with waves of pulsating heat that emanates from the focal points of the video. The impact on the audience is nothing short of electrifying. As the video unfolds, viewers are engulfed in the sensation of rising temperature, feeling the warmth radiating from the screen. It's as if the content itself is generating heat waves, creating an almost tangible connection between the virtual and physical realms. The mesmerizing dance of heat adds a visceral layer to the viewing experience. Imagine a video where the beat of the song is mirrored by the rhythmic pulsations of the heat waves, or a thrilling action sequence where the intensity of the on-screen events is echoed by the rising temperature visualized through heat overload. This effect can be a game changer in various genres, from music and art to gaming and vlogging. It introduces a dynamic element that transcends the visual, engaging the audience on a sensory level. Heat overload transforms the screen into a sensorial playground, where the audience not only sees but also feels the energy emanating from the content.